Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 37th SQL question from Leetcode 50 SQL entry questions. So the problem statement is we have to find out the employees whose manager left the company. They give a table called employees. We have to find out the employees whose manager left the company. So basically the employees who don't have any managers in the current company. That's what it says. If you see here, find all the IDs. There is one more clause here. We have to also find the employees whose salary is strictly less than this is 30,000, less than 30,000, and whose manager left the company. Two conditions: employee's salary is less than 30,000, and whose manager left the company. When the manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employee table. But their reports still have their manager IDs. For what exactly it means is, so here if you see here, this guy, the output is 11, employee ID 11. For this guy, employee ID 11, his name is this, and he or she. So here the manager ID is 6. 6 is not there in the employee ID. If you look at this manager ID 9, this ID is there in the employee ID here. So this ID is also manager and also employee. 11 is also a manager and also employee here. If you see employee, 11th the employee 11th manager left the company, and 11th salary is less than 30,000. That's the reason we are printing this. So in nutshell, what you have to find out is salary should be less than employee, whoever employee from the employee table, salary firstly should be less than 30,000. That's the first condition, and his manager information, whoever the manager employees we are printing, his manager information should not be here in the employee ID. That is what we just have to find out. How do I solve this? I can simply let's create two tables because there is only one table. So from this table, what I do is I'll take from this table, I'll take this as a table 1, table 2. From this table, I'll print out all the people whose salary is less than. Select what they are asking. Select. I'll take. Let me take all. Select star from this table, employees table, where I'll simply filter out all the employees whose salary is less than the condition, what strictly less than they're saying, not equal to. I can't use less than or equal to. I simply copy this. This is the first condition. I get all the details, all the employees, all the details, right? There are two employees whose salaries are less than the condition. If you see the manager ID 6 is what we have to print out. The manager ID 7 is the employee ID 1 whose manager ID is 11. So that is there in the employee table. So we have to remove this part now. We just have to print this part. This is the part because the 6th, which is the manager ID, is not there in the employee ID. So what I'll do is I'll imagine there are two tables. From this I'll print out this information, and what I do is salary is less than 30,000. It's there now. Now next is I'll try to find out the manager IDs. Manager ID not in. So basically, what I do is manager ID not in this. So in this, wherever there is a manager ID, for example 9, is it there here? Yes, it is there. Ignore it. Null is ignored. 11, do you have 11 here? Yes, we have. Ignore it. 6, do you have 6 here? No, 6 we don't have. Take it. So what what I'll do is I'll simply say manager ID not in, and sorry, this one, and manager ID from this table, not in. This is very important. Select. I'll select all the employees here. Employee ID. Select employee ID from the same table. So basically, it's like a self join kind of a thing from the same table. I'll select all the employees, but I look for the manager ID from this table. It should not be here. That's all. This is what they are looking for, and let's see. And additionally, I think they are also asking us to order by. Okay, let's see this. What we get here first. Okay, so they're asking us only to print employee ID. So we got all the data, but we just need the employee IDs. So I'll simply say employee ID. So if you visualize it, you will understand what I'm trying to say. It's got accepted. Okay, let's submit. Okay, so the output is expected output is okay. So they're also asking us to order by, which is already mentioned in the problem statement. Order by. So by default, it takes ascending order. So that's what they're expecting us to submit. But our output is saying this, but expected output is this. Let us see what we get. Yeah, it's got accepted. Let's see. Let's submit now. All right, it got accepted. That's all, guys. I hope you get it. So from this table, I'm just taking the employee IDs, and I'm trying to look for. I'm from this table. I take all the employees whose salary is less than 30,000. Now from this table again, manager ID. I'm trying to look for not in this table. Basically, I'll select all the manager IDs who are not here, who are not part of this table. That is nothing but that's the problem statement. So this can be solved in many ways, but this is easy to understand. If you want, if you create tables like this, if you visualize this, it will become more easier. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.